And so this is the house for rent located at number 23D New York Street. Okay, this is the facades of the house. Okay, it's a two-story modern house. Then we go inside. This this is also included. This is a garage for this house, and it has also a garage here. And then now we go. The lot area is about 200 square meters, and the floor area is more or less 220 square meters. This is the living room, dining room area in the ground level. This is the toilet with a heater on the ground level. Storage. It has its kitchen, and the kitchen is equipped with two gas burner with range hood, complete with cabinets. And then outside is the service area. This is the maid's room with her own toilet and bath. The access on the side, and this is the service kitchen area. It's well ventilated, it's wraparound, so it's airy and not too hot. Then see, okay, now we go up on the second floor. Okay, the stairs is lighted. And then there is a spacious family den here. Okay. Then over here is the balcony. This is the balcony on the second level. And then here is the first bedroom. With its own air conditioning unit, cabinet and dresser. Then over here is the shared common toilet and bath on the second floor. And over here is the third bedroom with its own air conditioning unit, cabinets, and entrance to the shared bathroom. Then we go now to the master's bedroom. So this is the master's bedroom with its own split type air conditioning unit. And then this is the toilet and bath with its own walk-in closet. And the bathroom with modern imported toilet fixtures. Okay. Ganyan. So that's it. So we go down to the view. This is a brand new house, modern house. Okay. That's it. Very nice. The most affordable modern house in Merville. For more information, just give me or send me a direct message. I hope you like the videos. Thank you.